So I've already fixed my cap, so now it's time to put on the wig. So I got this wig from Aliexpress. I think I haven't shown you guys how this wig look. I've already opened the package just to see if the hair is complete. So this is what I got. Oh, I love her. I follow her on Instagram. She is beautiful. So I got this. This is the wig. You have like instruction here. This is the company where I got the wig from. And then you also receive some bag. Beautiful bag you also receive. And this is the hair that I received. This is 14 inches. And this is how many density? It's not 14 inches. P14/25 curl, 27 curly. I don't remember how many density it is, but I will leave it for you guys on the screen. So this is what the wig is looking like. I've had this wig now for a while, and I just keep it. I haven't really gotten the chance to put it on. So today I want to come and share with you guys how I install this wig. So this is what the wig looks like. Curly wig. It's highlight curly wig. It's 13 by 4, so you guys can see it's a lace front. Has a beautiful lace at the front, and it also have lace at the back. It has 4 combs. It have 3, one here, one at the top, one here, and one. And you also have adjustable elastic band, and you also have a little bit of lace at the back. I think this is 180 density. I'm not really sure, but it's either 180 or 150, but I know it's 180. So this is what the hair look like. So the product I'm going to be using is the Ombre curling mousse. This is what I'm going to be using to kind of like activate the curls. So this is what the wig it's looking like, as you guys can see. So I've already prepped my hair. I've already put on my weaving cap. I've already glued everything down. So now it's just time to put this on. Excuse the wind in the background. First, what I'm going to do is, as you guys can see me now, I'm first going to start with cutting the lace at the back, because it's more easier when you cut the lace at the back before applying. Excuse the wind. It's very windy outside. So, and the breeze is so loud. So I'm just going to cut all the lace. The reason why I love fixing my wig in the bathroom, because it's more easy, and I have this big mirror in front of me, so it's more easier to fix the wig in the bathroom than sitting in the bedroom. And also the mess, you know, it's easy to clean the mess in the bathroom. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my foundation powder. This is the Primark powder, setting powder, matte setting powder. This is how dark it is. I'm going to take my brush. This is also what I use to kind of like set the lace. I'm gonna take a little bit, and I'm just gonna rub it on the lace of the wig. Not too much, because I already have the darkened foundation on my head, but I just want the lace to be a little bit on the natural side. So I'm just going to add a little bit of also on the front side. Just a little bit. I love using this powder from the Primark. This is so dark. I love using it. This actually, I got it for my face, but it's a little bit too dark for my skin. So I have been using it to do my wigs. Whenever I want to put wig on, I just use it as a foundation to just like makes the wig look more natural on my head because it's so dark. And it's because I don't know how to bleach wig, so I don't attempt that because I don't want to mess up my wig, even though I've watched a lot of tutorials on it, but I still cannot get it. So now, as you guys can see, the color looks much more better. So now it's time to fix it on my head and see how it looks. I braid my hair all back. I know you're gonna be like, what? Your hair is long enough to be braided? Yes, my hair is now long enough to be braided. I'm going to try to fix the wig nice and to see if I need to cut anything. This is the reason why I love using this mirror, because it's so big. Yep, I don't want the wig to be super front. So, yep, now it's time to cut the lace on the ears, taking my mini scissors. As y'all can see, the lace is a little bit too big here, so I'm first gonna start like this. Okay, gotta take it off because I cannot see from there. Okay, let's see if I needed to cut extra a little bit more. Okay. First, I'm gonna cut this excess lace here. Okay, let's fix it again. Let's move this cape. Let's see if the lace is lying down properly to the ears. Yes, so now that the lace is lying down nice, I'm going to push it back. Okay, I got my headband ready to tie. Just hold the top with the elastic band so that I can get all the hair off. So I'm going to be using this glue. Got this from Aliexpress. So guys, this is the finished result. I still have to play with it. I'm still like not, I don't know, like I still have to play, but I love the color. The color is very beautiful. This is what it looks like at the back. I still have to play with it. Just fix it like this for now. But normally I don't like when the wig has middle part. I just like to just have no part. But for now, let's just rock it like this. So far, I really like it. I love it. It's beautiful. Peace out. I love the color. I love the volume. I love the thickness. It's just like, just play with it. I like a little bit messy. Don't want perfect curls, just want a little bit of mess. Peace out, Team Fullest. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. And I hope to see you all on my next video.